Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOG 765, the place where we explore classic cars, legendary vans, and timeless automotive icons that still capture hearts across generations. If you love vintage vehicles and American classics, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an amazing ride like the one we're about to explore today. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic and recognizable vans ever built, the 1965 Chevy van. This classic machine is more than just a vehicle, it represents a whole era of freedom, creativity, and American road culture that defined the 1960s. The 1965 Chevy van was part of Chevrolet's first-generation G-Series vans, and it quickly became a favorite among small businesses, families, and even adventurers. Its simple boxy design might look basic at first glance, but that's exactly what made it so special. The clean, no-nonsense shape provided maximum space and endless possibilities for customization. Under the hood, the 1965 Chevy van typically came equipped with a reliable inline-six engine. It wasn't built for speed, but it offered something even more important: durability and dependability. This van was designed to work hard, whether it was delivering goods in busy cities or carrying tools for tradesmen across long distances. And for many owners, that engine became a symbol of trust. One of the most unique features of this van was its forward control design. The driver sat almost on top of the front wheels, which gave the van a very compact front end and allowed for more cargo space. This layout might feel unusual compared to modern vehicles, but it gave drivers excellent visibility and made the van easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Inside, the 1965 Chevy van was simple but functional. The interior was designed with practicality in mind, offering a spacious cabin that could be adapted for many different uses. Whether it was used as a cargo hauler, a passenger van, or even converted into a camper, this van could do it all. And that's where its true charm begins. During the late 1960s and 1970s, the Chevy van became a cultural icon. People started customizing these vans in creative ways, adding murals, vibrant paint jobs, custom interiors, and even turning them into mobile homes. This gave birth to the famous van life movement long before it became popular on social media. The 1965 Chevy van wasn't just about utility, it became a canvas for self-expression. Owners would transform their vans into rolling pieces of art, showcasing their personality and style. From psychedelic designs to bold flames, every van had its own story to tell. Another reason why this van remains so today is its simplicity. Unlike modern vehicles filled with complex electronics, the 1965 Chevy van is straightforward and easy to work on. Classic car enthusiasts love it because it allows them to get hands-on, restore it, and truly connect with the machine. Even today, you can still find these vans in the United States, often restored or modified by collectors and enthusiasts. Some are kept in original condition, preserving their history, while others are upgraded with modern engines and features to make them more practical for today's roads. Driving a 1965 Chevy van is a completely different experience compared to modern vehicles. It's not about speed or luxury, it's about feeling connected to the road, hearing the engine, and enjoying the journey. It reminds you of a time when driving was simple and full of adventure. This van also played an important role in shaping the future of cargo and passenger vans. It set the foundation for many models that came after it, proving that a compact, versatile van could meet a wide range of needs. Chevrolet continued to improve and expand its van lineup, but the 1965 model will always be remembered as the beginning of something special. For collectors, owning a 1965 Chevy van is like owning a piece of history. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of innovation, creativity, and the spirit of the open road. Whether it's parked at a car show or cruising down a highway, it always turns heads and starts conversations. If you're thinking about classic vehicles for your next YouTube content, this van is a perfect choice. It has history, style, and a strong fan base, especially in the United States where classic vans are still loved and appreciated. So, if you enjoyed learning about this amazing classic, don't forget to subscribe to CarOG 765 for more incredible car stories, reviews, and vintage legends. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments which classic vehicle you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.